In order to change the home page of our website, the first thing what we have to do is we need to modify the views.py. Now we created an app called home, and inside that we have a file called views.py. Let's go ahead and check that out. I'm going to go to my VS Code over here, and this is my home folder, the home app which I created. And right below this you can see we have a file called views.py. So I'm just going to minimize this over here, and let's go to this views.py, and you can see that it has a line called from Django.shortcuts import render. So that's completely fine. So what we have to do now is we have to import the HTTP response from Django. So let's see how we can do that one. So right below this, I'm just going to type in from Django.http import HTTP response. Okay, so now since that's imported, now we can create a first view in the home app. So let's see how we can do that one. So I'm just typing in def, that's a function. I'm going to call this as home, and here we're going to call request, and then we're going to return HTTP response, and that response, all we need is a hello world message. Okay, so let's save that. So now if I go to the browser and hit refresh, nothing's going to change here. That's because I haven't done anything yet. So I just changed the views. So we need to register a URL where we can say that this particular file exists. In my homes app, I don't have that urls.py file. So what we can do is we can go to my site here, and you can see that we have a file called urls.py. Let's open that up. And here you can see that we have some imports again. So here I'm going to import something else. So I'm going to say from home import views. So basically what we're doing now is we have a homes app, and from that we are importing the views. So I scroll down a little bit more, and you can see that we have paths. So we need to set up a new path here. So what we're going to do is we're going to call this as path. I'm going to set a new path. I'm going to call this as home, and then we're going to say views dot home. Let's give it a comma. Save this. Okay, so now you can see that it kind of refreshed over here. So all the modifications we did has been already taken effect. So we can go to this URL again, and I can hit refresh. So the home page is now gone. That's completely fine, because here we are saying that it's has to be located through the home extension. So you can go over here and you can just give a / and just type in home. Now you can see that we have a hello world page. But what if we don't want this home thing over here? Just we want this main page to have that message. So you can just go over here and you can give this as blank. Okay, let's save that. Let's get back to the browser and hit refresh. Now you can see that our home page, which was the Django's welcome page, is now replaced with the hello world page which you created in our views.py.